Hello, this is my video for the Thermistor Project 2 for my electromechanical systems class. Here I will show the way that it functions and how to enter the code into the circuit in order for it to function the way it should. First of all, right here you can see the setup. I won't go into very explicit detail since I already put some information and the diagram in my Word/PDF. But you can see the resistor, the two LEDs where you will see the change in temperature. The thermistor right here, it's a small resistor, which will determine the effect that we will get. And right here, all of the circuits that are connected to the controller board, right here you can see that it's connected to the 5-volt, it's to the volts and the ground. This right here this wire right here will allow the program to go into the circuit and function. Right here, it will have a similar effect in which it'll give the command to either the green LED or red LED to turn on, depending if the temperature is higher than 80 Fahrenheit or lower. Right here we can see the code that will be used in order to make the circuit function. We connect the circuit through the USB. And right here you can see the circuit is already working, but I will refresh it right now so that you can see the more refreshed information. Here you can see that the computer is connected to the circuit, but there's only one light on, meaning that it hasn't imported the current code into it. So what we have to do is first check the code to make sure that it functions well, then import the code into the circuit, which now we can see that both lights turn on in a moment. Well, there it is, it's turning on the other one. And so right here, press this, and this way we will be able to visualize the code doing what it's meant to do. Here you can see that it's already reading the temperature at the moment. And right here, I'll try and do it at the same time. You can see my finger on the thermistor resistor, and if I rub it, the temperature gets higher, causing the red light to turn on instead of the green. But if I leave it alone for a moment, it should go to under 80 Fahrenheit, causing the green light to turn back on, which will happen in a moment. There you go. And once again, I rub the sensor, giving it heat, causing it to be above 80 Fahrenheit. And right here in the code, if we want to change the code to come out from Fahrenheit to Celsius, all we have to do is here, as represented here in the equations that were used, just change this to Celsius, as well as just so that we know that Celsius, instead of it printing F, it'll print C. Then check the code that is properly, import it, and now it's already visualizing it, and we can see in Celsius now. And it should have the same effect, where if we rub it, there you go. But now it just gives a different number. And yeah, that's pretty much how the circuit works, how it connects. Oh, and this is it's in series, just in case you wanted to know as well. So there you go.